How to match the 30 product to 10,000 disease? Not possible. Forget about disease. Toxins and the body functions. Let me give you a few examples. When I went to Kenya, Africa, okay, the doctors asking me, can Ganoderma treat HIV? Because every 7 Kenyan, 1 people are carrier of the HIV. I told them, in our system, we don't care about HIV. HIV is not our problem. The problem is the body. Then he say, we have a football player, is in the last stage of HIV. So he say, can you cure him? So we told them, football player should play football. So my job to make him play football. I don't care. I don't care whether he is HIV, is cancer, whatever problem is not my problem. So we go for mega dosage, 30 RG, 30 GL. In 9 days time, he come out from the bed. In 3 months time, he go back and play football. So people asking me, is his HIV cured? Say, it's none of our problem. There's one case from Singapore. After the meeting, one patient is very sick, the whole patient, he come and see me. He went to China, contacted some virus. He's a rich man. So he go to the best hospital, even the university. So they take sample. From electron microscope, they can see the virus. But they cannot identify what virus is this. All the treatment fail. Then doctor say, nothing we can do. You have 2 months to go. So he come to meet me. So we sit down and he explained his condition to me. Then he asked me, Dr. Lim, what type of virus is attacking me? I am telling him, for 3 months' time, you go to the best hospital, you go to the best university, under the testing of the best instrument, they doesn't know what virus is this. Now you see me for 3 minutes? How can I tell what virus is that? He's kind of say, Dr. Lim, I am finished. I will die. I told him, wait, I haven't finished my story. I told him, we don't care about the virus, we care about the body. Why virus is so difficult to treat? Because virus can mutate within 20 minutes. Every 20 minutes, it becomes a new one. No medicines, no medical company can develop a new medicine in 20 minutes. You see all the virus problem, from common cold, hepatitis, the liver, HIV, all cannot be treated. But this one system can respond faster than 20 minutes. It's our immune system. So I told him, now there's a racing between the virus and the immune system. If the virus run faster, sayonara, bye-bye, you die. Yeah? If the immune system run faster than the virus, then we'll kill virus goodbye. As simple as that. We go for mega dosage, think 120, because he's desperate. His kidney already failed. The kidney is failed. His face become dark, no? In 1 month's time, everything clear. Just now when Jesus showed you the child kidney failure, when kidney failure, the face always dark. So when the face become clear, the kidney already functioning back. Doctors say he only have two months to go. He become a normal person. People asking me, what type of virus is that? Oh, we don't care what virus is that. It's not our system. So we are a do-nothing system. Remember? So you should not ask yourself, oh, this is diabetes. Oh, which product should I use? This is hypertension. This is cancer. Then in Germany, they say vitiligo. There's so many problems. The whitening of the skin, the hardening of the skin, the headache, migraine. So when people come to ask you this question, always remember, you are the mechanic. Ignore the blinking light. Go into the body system. When a person is sitting in front of you, either the problem is not serious or very serious. The German asked me, what do you mean by not serious? What do you mean by serious? How to define? If a person can go to work, he can still go the day-to-day living, not serious. 6 RG and 6 GL and 10 spirulina. When we take spirulina, no need to count 1 to 10, Just put 1 scoop, just eat like that. If it's serious, for example, he's a mental problem, creates so much trouble in the family until divorce, until so many problems may happen. In his working place, he quarrel with everybody, he become agitated. This is serious emotional problem. Or they cannot go to work properly. Or doctor say he had only 2 months, 3 months to go. Or doctor diagnosed, oh, this is a cancer case. Any cancer case is stage 1, stage 2 until stage 4, all are serious. Because cancer you to raise against the time. Then close your eyes, go for mega dosage. So I repeat my answer. If people say this is disease, which products to treat this disease? This is a wrong question. You have 10,000 disease, you only have 30 products. How to match the product to the disease?
Yeah.
Not possible. So forget about disease. Look at the body. Body only have 2 hormones, toxin, out of balance. Then our products are more than enough to solve these 2 problems. So don't treat disease. Treat the body. It's like the Kenya problem, Singapore, the kidney failure patients. We don't care about the disease. Today, I already give you the master key. What is the master key? Detoxification and balancing back. Enough for you to train your downline. Our system is very, very simple. The philosophy of DXN is that we will do something extraordinary through ordinary approach.
My